Good afternoon from Western Material Handling. This is Dennis and Wade. Today we're looking at a 2007 CAT cushion tire forklift, 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. It's a beautiful lift, new paint, great tires, traction tires. It runs a 188-inch triple mast with load backrest and an integral side shift, so very little loss of load. This has an LP tank with a swing down bracket. We'll show you that in a minute. And Wade's going to take it around and show us what it does. This forklift's running a K21 Nissan engine, very powerful, very quick forklift. It's got all the safety equipment, including LED lights, cool LED lights, strobe light, backup alarm, horn. But showing you how compact a 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift is. Now we'll get around inside of a warehouse. Forklift's in a hurry to get going, spins his tires. Wade's going to run the mast up in the air in this beautiful overcast Colorado sky. Show us 188 inches of lift, 15 feet 8 inches. This forklift has brand new 42-inch Class 2 forks. He's showing us forward and back tilt, and now he's showing us the side shift movement. Around 7 inches of side-to-side movement.
Want to do the tank?
Yeah, let's do the tank. You may not know, let me go ahead and help you. This is a pretty easy design. You just fold it out and it folds down. Wade's going to drive around, show it to us. Makes it very effortless to get that 70-pound or 80-pound tank up in there. It's an awesome forklift. If you can use a great forklift like this, come to Western Material Handling. We've got many like this. WesternMaterialHandling.com, Fort Collins or Denver. Thank you for viewing our video. We appreciate it.